Hi, I'm Yakira Gonzalez, and for my thesis, I decided to look at the relationship between bilingualism and communication styles in conversation. So initially, I wanted to look into how gesturing and the use of filler words were different amongst individuals who were monolingual and individuals who were bilingual. Gesturing plays an important role in human communication as it helps individuals when speaking to recognize and remember lists and phrases more easily. Filler words typically have a negative connotation to them. However, I thought it would be really interesting to see if there's any difference between both groups as they retell bits and pieces of a story. The aim of my current study was to demonstrate if monolingual individuals would gesture and use filler words more than bilingual individuals, and I hypothesized that the monolingual groups would gesture and use filler words more than the bilingual group because their logistic options are more limited. All my participants were students enrolled at Meredith College and were divided into two groups, either being monolingual or bilingual, and this was done through a self-reported survey that was given to them, alongside for the bilingual participants using a 7-point Likert scale, they were asked to assess their degree of proficiency in both languages. The participants were then given a short story called The War of the Ghosts that contained very detailed but culturally vague information. And then the participants were asked to retell as much information they could from the story while being videotaped. And then later during data collection, I went in and I numbered each gesture a participant made, which included making a hand motion to emphasize a point. And each time a participant used a filler word such as like, and then so, and I think, while they used as they retold the story. The results indicated that there was a statistically significant difference for gesturing, but not one for filler words. This just meant that between the two groups, the monolinguals used gesturing more in conversation than bilinguals, which supported my hypothesis. And while both groups utilized filler words while retelling the story, there was no significant difference between the two groups, which did not support my hypothesis. And if I could further my study, I would put a time limit that each participant would have to talk for because some of my videos range from 40 seconds and some range to 3 minutes. And I just think it kind of impacted the results. So I would definitely put a time limit that participants would have to talk for and also look into other languages. Thank you so much.